A nation of more than 1.2 billion people, India struggles every day to be safe on our roads.
Welcome to the launch of a very special campaign, the Road to Safety, which we are doing in partnership with Diageo.
To bring a change towards this continuous challenging situation, Diageo NDTV launched the Road to Safety campaign in 2014.
All 5 cars failed the test.
As India observes Road Safety Week from the 11th to 17th of this month, our campaign reached out to multiple cities across India to drive home the message of road safety and to take the pledge to never drink and drive. It also associated with concerned NGOs across India to put together an agenda that was presented to concerned ministries, officials and stakeholders to work towards creating safer roads for citizens.
Such initiatives are very important because it involves every person.
Over 1 lakh people lost their lives last year by drinking and driving. Take a pledge with me today. Swear never to drink and drive.
Obey traffic rules, wear seat belts, never drink and drive, make India's roads safer.
I think every person who's drinking should make it a point not to be behind the wheels, and they should take an oath that I'm not going to drink and drive.
The campaign hopes to encourage and inspire India to continue supporting the initiative to make our roads safer and to be more responsible behind the wheel.
Welcome to NDTV and Diageo's Road Safety Week, where we have been going from city to city trying to educate people about various issues of road safety and also really asking them how much they know. Right behind me here in Delhi's Uttam Nagar, these children from an NGO called Protsahan are trying their best through a street play to educate the local people here about the dangers of drunk driving. I have with me the director of Protsahan, Sonal, to talk a little bit about this initiative. What's most important we've seen is to educate people from really the grassroots level and also children how much they know about their civic duties and then become more responsible older people. Tell us a little bit about this play.
This is one of its kind play where the children have directed, scripted and are acting in the play. You know, the entire idea is how to amplify children's voices so that, you know, they become the stakeholders. Now, most people feel that because they're not the vote bank, you know, they're not 18, so politicians will not or are not supposed to, you know, take into notice what they have to say. But this time they have turned storytellers and they are, you know, educating the community and the elders in the community. So this entire community that we are working with in a slum area in Uttam Nagar, it belongs to rickshaw pullers and belongs to auto drivers, and most of them are parents of these children. So how through their hilarious yet a very sensitive play, they're educating and propagating the message.
Absolutely. So there you have it from the NGO Protsahan, a really good initiative where you're involving the children, the local community, and also an aspect that we've also touched upon that it should be added to the curriculum of schools and therefore educating from the children upwards to the elders. आप बताओ, जब आप ये स्ट्रीट प्ले कर रहे थे, ये सब आपका आइडिया था, आप लोगों का आइडिया था, ये सारा?
जी हाँ, ये हमारा आइडिया था।
हाँ। और क्या किस तरह का मैसेज आप लोग ने इस प्ले के माध्यम से देने की कोशिश की है?
हमने ये प्ले करके हमने ये बताने की कोशिश की है कि सब जागरूक होके रोड पे चले। रेड बत्ती हो तब रुक जाना चाहिए गाड़ी वालों को, और जो चलते हैं उनको चलना चाहिए, और जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। कई लोग जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते जिनसे उनका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, और कई सारे एक्सीडेंट इसलिए होते हैं कि कई लोग दारू पी के चलाते हैं या फिर वो हेडफोन।
और जब आप लोग स्कूल जाते हो तो आपको किस तरह की दिक्कतें होती है रोड पे, जैसे ऑटो वाले हैं, रिक्शे वाले, किस तरह की दिक्कतें होती है आपको?
एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो जाती है, ट्रैफिक जमा हो जाता है, उधर से गाड़ी करती है, उधर से गाड़ी आती है, तो हम लोग जा नहीं पाते हैं। तो उधर से फिर एक बंदा आता है, सबको हटाता है कि तुम इधर को जाओ, तुम इधर को जाओ, इसकी वजह से तब जाके।
और जब आप लोग ऑटो में बैठते हैं, आप लोग उनको बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा लोगों को ना बैठाएं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे जो एक्सीडेंट है वो इसलिए भी होते हैं क्योंकि ऑटो बहुत भरे हुए होते हैं?
हम उनको बोलते तो हैं, लेकिन वो भरते ही रहते हैं गाड़ी, वो एक ऑटो में कम से कम 6-7 बिठाते हैं।
और आप ऐसे प्ले और करोगे अभी, इसके बाद भी करते रहोगे ऐसे प्ले, और अपने घर वालों को समझाओगे कि ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए?
हम ऐसे समझाएंगे।
So there you have it from the kids. They're saying they're very positive about this, and they're saying that in future as well they will be sending out this message as well. Diageo NDTV Road to Safety campaign Don't Drink and Drive pledge is being taken here in East Delhi's Uttam Nagar by the locals after a very good play by the students here from the NGO Protsahan. Let's talk to somebody who's actually taken the pledge. There are several pledges here already taken. Sir, आप बताइए कि ये जो आपने play देखा और आपका क्या experience रहा है लोगों के बारे में जो सड़क पे चलाते हैं, ऐसे तेजी से चलाते हैं या पी के चलाते हैं?
कई बार ऐसा देखा गया है कि गाड़ी चलाते समय लोग होश खो बैठता है, धोखा होता है। हम खुद भी चलते हैं हम अपना तो ढंग से चल रहे होते हैं, लेकिन पीछे से कोई आ रहा है, पीछे से यदि एक्सीडेंट होता है तो उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सच्ची दर्द।
Clearly a lot of buzz here, as you can see behind me. Lots of people standing by, trying to walk in and do the pledge after this play, and we're hoping that this whole thing gets filled up by the end of the day. Let's also go across to other cities to see what's happening there.
See, we have to continuously educate people. See, ultimately, unless until I have knowledge, unless until I have sensitivity, I am not going to improve. So our basic idea is to ensure that drivers' sensitivity, drivers' knowledge, driver awareness increases. In addition to that, we have to bring many other changes in our own system, road designing, even sometimes car designing, our testing mechanism, our licensing system, so that whoever is given a license is having all the required quality to drive on the road. So that is what the department efforts are going to be, to create maximum awareness and improve the system of licensing and testing.
భద్రతా నియమాలను అన్నింటినీ అనుగుణంగా జరగకుండా తగిన రోడ్డు భద్రత గురించి చేస్తున్నాను.
These initiatives only will help in controlling the accidents, because when we analyze the reasons for the accidents, they are very simple things that people ignore, like while driving they drink, some of them, not all of them. Then they talk on the cell phone while driving, and they overspeed. And sometimes you find the youth, the youngsters, overspeeding and trying to get the thrill out of it. So these things, if they're avoided, definitely accidents will be controlled.